Yo, do you want to start earning money online with affiliate marketing, but not sure which programs to join or what the rules actually are? Well, in today's video, we're breaking down the rules, eligibility, and commission details of the top affiliate programs in 2025. From Amazon, Walmart, Target, eBay, and Etsy, to brands like Fashion Nova, Sephora, Fitney Beauty, and even Shopify. By the end of this video, you'll know which affiliate programs fit your niche, what it takes to qualify, and how to stay compliant so you don't lose. Affiliate programs are simple. You promote a brand's product through special links, and when someone clicks and buys, you earn a percentage of that sale. But every program has its own rules, like how long your referral link tracks, what kind of content is allowed, and how you can advertise it. So let's go through the biggest ones, one by one. First up, Amazon Associates, the OG of affiliate programs. To qualify, you need a public website, a YouTube channel, or social media page with real content. You also have to make 3 qualifying sales in your first 180 days, or Amazon will deactivate your account. Commissions range from 1% to 10% depending on category, and your cookie window lasts 24 hours, meaning if your viewer doesn't buy within that time, you don't earn. Walmart's affiliate program impact. You must apply and get approved, have family-friendly content, and follow disclosure rules. Commissions usually range between 1% and 4%, with a short 3-day cookie window, so you'll want to drive quick conversions. Target focuses on US-based audiences and lifestyle creators. Commissions can go up to 8%, and the cookie window is 7 days. But some categories like groceries, books, and electronics don't earn commission, so double check before promoting. The eBay Partner Network is great for tech or collectible niches. You must be 18 or older with an active online platform. Affiliate links must stay outside eBay. Etsy's affiliate program is perfect for creative or handmade content. You can promote products on approved platforms like your blog, YouTube, or Pinterest. AliExpress accepts websites, social media pages, and YouTube creators. Commissions go up to 9% and cookies can last up to 30 days, giving you a longer earning window. Perfect for tech, gadgets, and budget product reviewers. Next, let's talk about the big retail programs. Wayfair, Home Depot, Lowe's, Best Buy, Macy's, Nordstrom, and Kohl's. These programs usually run through affiliate networks, like by the names listed below. So you'll need to apply, get approved, and follow their content policies. Wayfair pays around 5 to 7% with a 7 to 30 day cookie window. Home Depot, Lowe's, and Best Buy typically pay 1 to 3%, but they drive massive traffic if you cover home improvements or tech products. Now, let's get into fashion and beauty, some of the fastest growing affiliate niches in 2025. Adidas, Puma, Under Armour, Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing, Shein, Forever 21, Revolve, H&M, Gap, and Levi's all run affiliate or influencer programs.